Alright students, let's talk about how to make a basic triangle. Okay, so I'm going to go over here. These are the things I have so far. I'm going to click new file. I'm going to call it triangle. Alright, so saved it already using name triangle. Okay, cool. Okay, so here's my turtle. I need to think about getting the pin, so I'm going to get my pin. Just to leave it on purple 10, that's fine with me. And I need to think about moving. And I'm going to move 100 pixels. Okay. Now, one of the things we did, or you can do, to think about the angles on the side of a triangle, because that's a bit of a mind blower. You might not really be thinking about that too much. Okay. Well, we're going to take the 360 degrees that you would get in a circle. So we're going to take 360 and divide it by the number of sides of our shape. So a triangle has 3 sides. So we're going to do 360 divided by 3. And that's going to give us 120. Okay, so I want you to remember that number, 120. So I'm going to turn right 120. Alright, let's see what we got here. Okay. And I want to repeat my forward and see what that does. Alright. Okay, I think you know where we're going. We are going to get another right and dial that up to 120. Okay. So here we go. And then I need my last little command, which is forward. Okay. There it is. Okay. Now again, you can change those up. You can do 300s on those. So that's going to make it much bigger. Alright, now if you, let's say you wanted to turn the turtle right 45 degrees before you ever get started, that might be something fun you might want to do. So let's see what that does. Okay, so notice how that changed the angle of the triangle. So that is a good quick way to make a triangle. Okay, so we have the sides, the 3 sides are 120. Okay, so that's something to think about. Now another thing you can do is you can also, when you're playing around with this, you might want to dial up the speed. So let's see what the speed 10 does. Okay, so that's pretty quick. I'm going to dial that to 5. Okay, so if you get tired of waiting, you can throw the speed in there and get it going pretty quick. So you might not want to wait around too long. Okay. Now, something to think about, you can copy pieces of code here. So I'm going to do Control C and then I'm going to do Control V. Okay, so let's see what this does. Oh, that's an interesting idea, isn't it? So let's try that again. We're just going to Control and C and Control V my code there. Well, isn't that interesting? Now I have 3 triangles, and all I had to do was do Control C for copy and Control V for paste. So that's something to think about when you're playing around with this. That's how to make a basic triangle. Okay, 360 degrees of the circle divided by the 3 sides. The 3 sides of the triangle is going to give you 120, and that's going to make you a nice perfect little triangle there. So good luck, have fun.